How to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide highlights on Insta without deleting them. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you've updated it to its latest version. And after doing that, you can then tap on your profile icon that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile and there you'll find your highlights. Now if you want to hide the highlights without having to completely delete your highlights, now if you have a lot of highlights or stories in your highlights and you want to save it for later on but just not make it appear in your profile, this is what you do. You'll need to long press on your highlight, and after you long press on it, you'll see an option called Archive Highlight. All you have to do is tap on Archive Highlight, and after you do that, you will now be able to just remove highlight completely without having to delete it. Now if you want to retrieve it, tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and after you're on Settings and Privacy, you will see Archive option. Tap on Archive and there you will find Story Archive. If you don't find it, simply tap on Story and there you will see Stories Archive. Simply select Stories Archive. After you do that, you'll be on this section. Now all you have to do is tap on this second option, that is with the heart one, and that will take you to your highlight archive. Now you can just see all of your archives. You can see all of your highlights, and if you want to just bring it back to your profile, long press on it and there you will see an option called Show on Profile. And that's basically how you hide highlights on Insta without deleting them. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.